on a noisy Sunday morning here on the peripheries of Ho Chi Minh City. We're heading down to Vung Tau. Pollution here is not the best. We've just come out past like the port area. Right, the plan is I've set my sat nav to avoid as many big roads as possible. Oh Jesus! But there's no avoiding this one. We're gonna have to go on the big road just for this, maybe 5 kilometers, and then we go on to the back roads. It should be a lot safer that way. So we're just heading off across this bridge to start the journey. I've already done a bit of the journey. Yeah, so Vung Tau is a coastal, the closest coastal area to Ho Chi Minh City, and I'm going there to visit my friend on this absolute beastly machine, the Vision. So you will notice on these motorways you have the right hand lane is for motorbikes, because these big trucks have been known to just plough into pedestrians. So that's the system here. As you can see, I've got long trousers, I've got pyjama bottoms on. I've got a hood up. I've got a hat just to protect me from the sun, and this long sleeve jacket on. Yeah, you can see it's pretty treacherous out there. So if you look down the road here, you'll notice I'm in this little side road, and then you've got all the big traffic over here, the small traffic over here. So it's not actually that bad. It's pretty safe, to be fair. So I don't know what this is. Some sort of resort theme park or something. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to be on this big old road for longer than I predicted. I did watch a video of a guy who did this on his motorbike, and he didn't put the right settings in to his sat nav, and he ended up going down a toll road. So I definitely don't want that to happen. So I've made sure that I don't go down toll roads, and I don't go on any parts of the motorway I don't have to. But there's no avoiding this, but it's fine, you know, it's fine. So yeah, my sat nav's taking me right off the beaten track, but at least I'm not on the motorway, I guess. It's just a bit disconcerting when you're going down all these alleys that some of them don't even look like roads. Back on the big road again! Damn it! I don't know why they've closed the road down, but I've been waiting here for about 30 minutes. So there was like a procession of military vehicles going across the road. So they basically stopped all the traffic, Jesus, from going across the road for about half an hour. And then by the time they let everyone rip, I didn't film it because I needed to be careful, be vigilant. But there was like then about 1,000 motorbikes just heading straight towards each other, and we're just weaving in and out of each other. It's absolutely not a journey for the faint-hearted, this one. We've still got an hour and 41 minutes to go. Yeah, we're way behind schedule. It's now 10:30. So in theory, I reckon if we say 2 hours, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, can we get to the coast? We'll finish this video with me having some nice food and drink on the beach. So I've noticed a lot of these places like this, there's kind of new builds. This one's called Century City, and they're these kind of, I saw one down the road as well, these little kind of places, a bit like where I live, where they're building these complex areas which are kind of like convenient little micro cities, I think they call them. Yeah, it's interesting. Right, I just stopped for a minute to have a wee, and we just pulled off the side of the road. There's Sheila there, we call my motorbike Sheila. Yeah, and we've just come across a rubber tree plantation, I think. So we'll have a quick look. So, is it though? I think it's a rubber tree plantation. I mean, it's a slightly different setup to Thailand, where they have plastic cups. They seem to here have, well, some of them are made out of coconut, and then, but they're these like, that's just water. There's no, the sap coming out of this is brown. Yeah, stick it in the comments. What the hell is this? We really are in the countryside now. Yeah, not much happening. Although we could be coming up to another main road very shortly. Let's keep going. Yeah, so far so good. I mean, it's easier to get the bus, to be honest. But I like riding my bike. I should probably get a license at some point. Right, it's now time for me to eat, because I'm very bloody hungry. So over there's some reunification celebrations going on. I've got to go down this dirt track, which is quite concerning. This sat-nav keeps taking me on some right wild tracks. At the
continue for 4 kilometers.
The celebrations just down the road, there's a few guys waving at me as if to say, yeah, come in, have a party. And I was thinking, nah, I'm alright. Xin chào. I just stopped off to get some refreshments and something to eat, so let's do a little food review. Now, I don't know what this is. First of all, we've got a badong, which looks like some sort of waffle thing. Oh, I'm so hungry, I'll eat anything. Sort of like a waffly thing. Yeah, it's alright, it's dry as fuck. Oh man. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that one unless you're going to have it with something. But when you're hungry, you're on a bit of a limited budget. That is so dry. That, you know when you do that thing when you eat a cracker and your mouth dries up? It's like that. I'm still going to eat it, I don't care. It's probably been sitting there for about a year and a half. They didn't have any sugar-free drinks apart from water, so for a caffeinated beverage I got myself a Lem Krating, which is a Red Bull. They're different to the English ones. They're syrupy and actually there's a bit of a myth that these have got ridiculous amount of caffeine in them, and they just haven't. It's about the same as a cup of tea. So yeah, don't believe the hype.
Take the next left.
Right, one thing in life that I've never seen before is banana plantation. So just gonna quickly nip in here. These bananas. As you can see, these are currently open, so I could grab myself a free banana, but I'm in the middle of nowhere in the countryside, and I don't really want to end up in a Vietnamese jail for stealing one banana. Right, one of the sad realities about Vietnam is the trash. This is just one example of the trash. People just drop trash. If I just ride along here quickly, and you just look at this beautiful idyllic landscape, look at all this shit. I've seen a lot of people just dumping their stuff. This is everywhere. This isn't just here, this is everywhere. We're in the countryside right now, so you can imagine what it's like in the cities. I don't know what the reason is, but it is what it is. And I mean, look at this. This is a prime example. I mean, this is a bit of a fluke.
In 200 meters, make a U-turn.
But I mean, this is just the reality of Vietnam, mate. I don't know what it is, but there seems to be a lot of Christianity in Vietnam, so you can't have everything, can you? I'll quickly mention before I do the rest of the journey, I've got another 34 minutes to go apparently, according to my sat-nav. We're in the arse end of nowhere, but they seem to have this ginormous church, which is kind of random, isn't it? You think it'd be in a busy place. According to my sat-nav, I'm now 15 minutes away from the hotel that I'm going to. I'm going to go past the hotel. I'm going to go straight to the beach and finish the video off, and then I'm going to go to my hotel. I need caffeine, I need some food, and I need to finish the vlog off. Vung Tau, baby! Right, it's one thing getting to Vung Tau, but then getting to the beach. It's a city, so the beach is actually about 20 minutes from where you get to Vung Tau. So we've still got another 12 minutes ride until we get to the beach. To finish this vlog with a happy ending, as flogging a dead horse would say, from my hometown of Norwich. And that'll be the end of my vlog. Ho Chi Minh City to Vung Tau Beach in 3.5 hours it's taken me. It would have taken 3 hours if I hadn't got stuck in the congestion about them letting the parade through for reunification day. Anyway, now I'm getting Great Yarmouth vibes. I don't know why, it just feels like it reminds me of home. And here we are, we made it to the beach. We made it to the damn beach. Now that's quite interesting. If you look out this way, there's a load of stuff on a rock. Oh shit, just fell down the thing. So I'm interested to know how on earth you get to it. Now I swear on another video that I saw, a YouTube video, that actually you can... God, I want to jump in that sea so much. Oh. I know it's not beautiful blue seas, but it is what it is. The tide's in at the moment, but yeah, I'm looking forward to jumping in there. I know it's not very clean, there's a lot of litter in there and stuff, but be interesting. I'm going to go and find somewhere in the shade and just do a tiny recap on my journey here and end the video. Right, battery's about to die. We made it here. I've got another banh mi. This one looks a bit better. It's got egg, salad. Let's give it a try. Yeah, that's good. It's not so dry as the other one. It's not amazing. It's okay. Journey took me 3.5 hours. It would have took me 3 hours if it wasn't for the roadblock. I watched another guy who did the same journey and it took him about 6 hours. He got lost. If you set, this is the tip, take it from me, if you watch this video and you're using Google Maps or Apple Maps, put in avoid tollways and avoid motorways, because if you go by the road, the car route, you will end up on toll roads and motorways that you're not allowed to go along, and it's really dangerous. Big trucks, they, you know, it's you've got to be careful. So we're finishing the video off with can of Monster energy drink, a banh mi, which has actually got its egg salad, and bacon, and it's really nice. Unlike the last two that I've had. Sorry. That were just dry and horrible. So yeah, this one's kind of giving me hope. And my battery's about to run out, so